Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm rating the vegan McFlurries that I made on my channel this week. I'll link the shorts down below. So in last place I would have to put the Smarties, as I didn't crush them up beforehand and they were actually really tough to do. So if you're making this, please crush them up beforehand, and this is why this one's in last place. And overall it didn't taste that great. So in third place we have the Oreo McFlurry that I made. It was absolutely amazing, however it is a bit basic compared to the other two, that's why it's in the third spot, but it is like by far the easiest to make, so yeah. Then in the second place, this one was actually really good. It is the brownie one. So all you need is a few of the Oggs brownies and I crushed them up. This one's super easy to make and it tasted really good. That's why it is in our second space. But yeah, it's like a fudge sundae. Then in our first place we have the Lotus biscoff one. Obviously they've just come out with this one at McDonald's and it was amazing. Obviously this is a vegan version of it and it was super good and so easy to make, especially since I have loads of Lotus biscoffs to use, and then I just used the melted biscoff sauce. So yeah, comment down below what's your favourite and what I should do next. Happy ice cream day, because today is National Ice Cream Day, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this. Bye.